I'm Bryce Hemington. I'm a teaching artist at Manchester Craftsman Guild. Manchester Craftsman Guild is a nonprofit art organization that works primarily with high school students, but we also work some with adults and some with middle school students. And my focus is on pottery, functional pottery, and I teach both traditional wheel throwing, hand building, and sculpting. And then my personal artistic focus is towards utilitarian functional pottery, where I utilize a technique called mishima, where it's an inlay technique where you're inlaying slip into these lines that I cut, and then I wood fire all my work. So you get this wood ash movement that goes all around the pot and creates these beautiful surface effects. And I am going to be talking a little bit about how that's done, how that process is done, a little bit about how wood firing is done, and also answer any questions about sort of how I got to where I am now. And I hope to see you there on May 17th for Sweetwater's Artists Guild event.